the ASM Badges. In this lesson you're going to learn what the ASM Badges are and why they are so important to your progress. And you'll also learn how to go and claim them. One of the key concepts of this course is learning in small chunks and then taking an action step. This is designed to keep you moving forward. Keeping this forward momentum is critical. And to help you keep moving forward, we created the ASM Badges. So we have created a badge for every important milestone in your ASM physical products journey. So you earn your badges as you complete important steps along the way. And these badges are displayed on your profile page. They prove you are an action taker and working hard to build your business. They remind you of your achievements and give you impetus to keep moving forward. However, it also shows your fellow members that you are an action taker and are making your way through the course. This will help you build relationships with other action takers. We know from experience that forming small masterminds can be a massive benefit to your progress. And while we don't recommend you do this till 5 or 6 weeks into the course, having your badges there will not only help you if you want to set up a mastermind, but also increase the chance that someone might invite you to join theirs. So we urge you to earn every badge available to you. The majority of our successful students claimed all their badges, and this is not a coincidence. So do not underestimate the power of claiming your badges. Now you're going to need to take screenshots for most of your badges, but taking screenshots is relatively simple. However, there are so many combinations of computer and browser, I'm not going to cover them all here. Now, if you don't know how to take a screenshot on your particular system, all you need to do is simply Google how to take a screenshot on, and then whatever your setup is, whether it's PC, whether you're using Firefox or Windows, and you'll get plenty of answers on how to do it. For instance, on a Mac, all you need to do is press Shift Command 4. This changes the pointer to a crosshair. Then you just move the crosshair to where you want to start the screenshot and then drag to select an area. When you've selected the area you want, release your mouse or trackpad button. And I'm actually recording these videos on a Mac, so I will be showing exactly how to do that. So let's go log into the ASM dashboard and I'll show you how you claim your badges. Okay, so just before we jump into the ASM dashboard, I just wanted to show you the Google search for how to take a screenshot no matter what system you've got. And as you can see, I've got how to take a screenshot on. You can see all the different versions here: PC, Mac, Windows, Samsung, Windows 10, a Chromebook, a laptop, etc. So just fill in the type of system you've got if you don't know how to take a screenshot, and look at the results and find one that matches. If you're still struggling to be able to take a screenshot, then please do post in the community area under the ASM General Chat category. But let's close this out and move into our dashboard. Okay, so I've logged into the ASM dashboard, and to claim badges, you just want to click on the down arrow next to your profile picture and select My Badges. Now you can see the Bet on Yourself badge is already in a gold color. That means it's already been awarded, and it's basically automatic. If you don't see the Bet on Yourself badge in gold, then do contact our customer support to get it awarded to you. It should be an automatic badge. The setup profile, we've been through the steps of how to set up your profile, and you're going to see I've been awarded my badge. Now there is one more badge that you can claim in the welcome module, and that's the Breaking the Cycle badge. Now the requirements have changed very slightly, but I'm going to open it up and show you. So all you do if you want to claim this badge is click on it, and you can see this badge is for breaking the cycle of not taking action and introducing yourself in the member community. And it's upload a screenshot of your first post introducing yourself in the Amazing Selling Machine Facebook group. That should be, and actually by the time you see this, it will say the Amazing Selling Machine community. So we need to take a screenshot. So I'm just going to close this for a second. I'm going to click on the community badge, which is where I've made my welcome post. And you can see this is my welcome post. So all I need to do is click on it, and then I need to take a screenshot of this post. Now to do that, obviously it depends on what system you're using, but for a Mac, I know it's Command-Shift-4, which gives me this target cursor instead of the normal one. So I'm going to move it up here just above the Amazing Selling Machine logo. I'm going to left click and hold the left button down, drag it down till it covers the post, and you can actually go as far to the right so it actually covers your profile picture too, and then just let go. And there you hear that beautiful sound of a photograph being taken, and that screenshot is now on my desktop. So I go back to the badges, we're going to click on Breaking the Cycle again, and then I'm just going to click on Choose File. When you do this, you just want to navigate to your desktop on your computer or wherever your screenshots are stored, and then double click on that file. So I double clicked on it. You can see here, screenshot, tells you what time, etc. But once you've loaded it, all you need to do is click submit. And there you can see upload successful. It may take up to 24 hours. Now, depending on what day of the week it is and also how busy we are, it can take longer than 24 hours, but just be patient. We will get your badge awarded. Now, most of these badges are for specific modules, and you'll be able to see when they turn up. A couple I want to point out is the Community Helper Badge and also the ASM Mentor Badge. You can't apply for these badges. Both of these badges are awarded by us for providing help and support and encouragement inside the community. Now, each module we will be awarding Community Helper Badges to members, and we will be announcing that during our weekly calls. But that's how the badges work, and that's how you submit your badges. Now, as I said before, if you have any issues with actually taking a screenshot, then by all means do post in the community and we'll do our best to get you sorted out. What is next? So now you understand why claiming your badges is so important, and also how to do it. In the next lesson, you will learn all about the ASM Mentor Program and why it is so important to your success. But that's it for this lesson. Take care.